So if you've already got your domain name, what we can do is just buy some hosting. And hosting is basically renting some space off a company that owns loads of computers. You're going to put all your files on there so they can be accessed on the web. So the company I use is Hostgator. And they've always been very good for customer service and everything for me. And if you want to pay monthly, it's a good way to go. Obviously, for the longer you're going to prepare to pay for at once, so if you're prepared to pay a year's hosting, it's cheaper than if you just want to pay monthly. But if you do want to pay monthly, HostGator is the way to go. Bluehost I haven't used, but it is very well thought of, and I know people that use it. And they are actually better prices if you're prepared to pay up front for a year or 2 years, 3 years, and you also get a free domain name with HostGator as well. You get to register a free domain name. So depending which is more suitable for you, monthly or paying yearly, either go for HostGator or Bluehost, or check out other web providers if you want. Now I've got coupons that you can use to get a bit of discount with HostGator. I think it's 25%. And I can also give you links for Bluehost. So if you check below the video, there'll be links to both HostGator and to Bluehost. So I'm going to take a look at HostGator first. And we've got these 3 plans. You don't need to worry about the business plan for now, but Hatchling plan basically lets you put one website up. You can literally have one website and that's it. And if that's all you're going to do, that's absolutely fine, and that's the hosting plan for you. But if you think that you might want to put more than one website up, like say if we go back to that dog example of the dog toys, say you're also going to eventually do cat toys or other pet products, you might want more than one website, in which case the baby plan would let you put more than one website on the same bit of space. So let's click on that for now. I'll give you a coupon code that will get you a little bit more off than they're offering you here, and because you've already got an existing domain that you've bought elsewhere, you're just going to add in that domain name. So I'm going to still use the same one as before, which was green dog toy shop.com, and then you basically choose if you want to pay 1 monthly, 6 monthly, 12 monthly, and obviously the price decreases a bit as you have the hosting for longer, and it will be a little bit cheaper with that code. So choose yourself a username, a PIN, put in your billing information. Now these I've never actually used SiteLock before, because it wasn't available when I purchased my hosting. So check that out, see if it looks like something you need. So I haven't used it before. The website builder, you don't need that at the moment. I would leave that for now. And then just check everything's as you want it and hit create account. Now Bluehost is pretty similar, and you just put in .com. You put in the domain name that you already own. Just going to take a few minutes to process that. Okay, and you've just got a similar thing. It wants all your address details. Now you choose how long you want to pay for, and obviously that price decreases the longer you're prepared to pay for in one go. Choose if you want SiteLock, tells you a little bit more information about that, or site backup. I think that's it, and you just put in your payment information and click next. Well, I've actually already got hosting with HostGator, so I'm going to show you in a minute how we go about matching up that domain that you've already bought elsewhere with the hosting that you've now got and you'll get an email about. So we'll go through that in just a second.